Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a VR, a video response for my friend Diane, aka Boo, who is crafting with Fury. Her and her very dear and close friend Judy, who is my scrapbook loft, are hosting a 15 favorite collab. And so what it is on the 15th of each month for the rest of the year, you show what your favorites are for that month. And so I would like to share that with you guys. My favorites, what I can't live without, are flower dyes. With spring here, there is no way I could live without my flower dyes. So I need flower dyes, and these are the ones that I chose. We have two of Sizzix. We have some In Love Art Shop flowers that I've been using, and we have Scrap Diva Designs. Okay, so for Scrap Diva Designs, I know what you're thinking. What is a border die doing in the flower group? Well, let me show you what it's doing here. This right here is what it's doing in this flower group here. You can make flowers with your border dies, and so I would like to share with you all of the flower dies that I have here and show you how they look. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start off with this one right here. This is the border die by Scrap Diva Designs, and what I did is I made my flowers with this die specifically. This one is the easiest one, along with the heart, is the easiest one to make flowers with. You're able to do flowers with all of them, but this one I found was easiest, and this is what they look like. So here is one. You still need centers and you need leaves for the sides, but yeah, here they are right here. I think they came out really nice. You would need to die cut this out with a 12 by 12 paper, one strip, and then the second strip would be roughly more than a half, 7 inches. So that make these flowers. Okay, up next are these ones right here by Scrap Diva Designs. This flower you can use it for so many flower types. I've only used two. I made a daisy, and I also made one that I don't even know my flowers, if you know your flowers. So this is the one I made. It kind of looks like it could be a sunflower if you darken the middle. It could also be, it could pass for a daisy. I know the edges aren't round, but it could also pass for a lily with it as well, if you can find some centers with it. But yeah, this flower die is versatile. You can make so many different type of flowers with it by pinching or squeezing or rounding some of the petals, and they come out to be different flowers. I love this die, so let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at these. So here are the ones that I have. So I don't have a demo for all of them, but I want to show you what they look like. So that one is that. This one is this one. Okay, so this one is this one right here, and this one is this one right here. So those are all In Love Art Shop flowers, and I love them. Let me give you a closer look. So that's what they look like. Let's move on to the next. Okay, this is another In Love Art Shop, and I love this one mainly for the vines and the flowers, and I want to show you what I have been making lately. Okay, with that, I've been using these flowers right here, which is this one right here. Put it right here. And this one right here. So that's what those look like right there. I've been loving that. And recently, I've also used the centers for that flower. Also these ones. These are centers, and I use that one for what was on the beehive, if you guys remember from last video. Where is it at? Oh, there they are. So my bees are in here, and let me show you the flower it makes. It makes such a itty bitty flower. You could barely see it. Look how little that little flower is right there on the bee wings. And I did use liquid pearls for the centers. So that is what this little, so that's what this flower die makes, is that. Love it, you guys. I love it. Okay, so there are other flowers in here. Here's that one, that one. Here's a rose. Let me take it out. So it comes with the heart. Here's a rose with a vine. Here's a center or a flower. Here is a center or a flower. And then here's a flower where you could stack those star looking ones in the middle of this. And here are centers right here, a little larger than this center here. Right there. So it's the same thing, just a little larger. And then I believe this one came with this. If not, then this one came in another In Love Art Shop die, but that is it right there for those itty bitty flowers, and I love them, you guys. These ones are so like dainty. I love them. So dainty. So you do need a stylus ball pin for flower making. So let's move on to the next. Next is In Love Art Shop. And these ones are different from the other ones that I shared. Okay, so this one I have been recently using like crazy, and you guys saw it on the beehive. This flower right here is the pink, blue, and yellow flower on this beehive. So these three right here. And doesn't it make a beautiful flower? I think it makes such a cute flower. Okay, so this one I absolutely love as well. It reminds me of a dandelion, and let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. So this is what the dandelion looks like. It just reminds me of a dandelion. I'm not sure if it is, but look at that. I love it. So these two are my favorite. These, I still have to work at them to see if I can make something that I would enjoy. But out of the four, I liked these and this one and this one. Okay, let's move on to the next. The next one is a Sizzix one. This one is hard to find. It is a staple in my craft room. And oh my goodness, I love this right here. I have been using these for a while. And you get different sizes in each. So there are 3 different kinds, different types. So that goes together. These go together. Here we are. And these go together. Okay, so this one right here is this right here. And you get 2 sizes. So that is the large size. And here's another color. So that is, I'm going to open this one. So as you can see, they're different ways of rolling them. This is a tighter roll. This is a looser roll. That is the large one. I don't have a small one. For the rose, I did put the rose on a beehive, and let me go ahead and show you that. It's this purple one right here. I love the rose. So that one is the medium. So it looks like the small, but it's the medium once you roll it up. And then this rose is super duper small, so pretty. Here's another one right here. That one is the large, the yellow, right there. So pretty. And then these ones right here, I don't have to show you. Love this die, you guys. It also comes with leaves. If you can find it, possibly on eBay or Etsy. So let's move on to the next. Next is this Sizzix die. It's a thinlits one, and you get 3 different ones. The ones that I do enjoy making are the first 2. It comes with leaves and it comes with a branch. And oh my goodness, again, this one's just like the other ones. So pretty. And you get so many. You could make little tiny ones as well. But again, I love the first 2. And this is how many you get. You get so much in this. And also, if you can find the die, I would say to get it because it is a staple. I'm constantly using these for spring. I think I've had them for 3 years already, and I love them. And especially the sizes, you don't have to settle with a large flower. And you can also use these as centers, these itty bitty ones as centers, so that would really look nice. So here we are. These are so pretty. Look at those. So this one here is that one right there. So that's what that looks like, and I don't believe I have another to show you in that one. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys like the video. Please check out the hashtag. Both ladies have a hashtag. It's 15 fave collab. I will have that linked in the description below, as well as both channels. You could get out your flowers and showcase everything. Well, I'm not saying your flowers, but what your favorite must-haves are for this month that you can't live without. And for me, it is flower dyes. I cannot live without these flower dyes during the season. There is just no way. So you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.